Hello?
Hi, is this Sarah?
Yeah.
Hey, Sarah, this is Kai Logue giving you a call. How are you doing today?
Pretty good.
Awesome. I know JP asked me to give you a call. I think you guys spoke a little bit about the property and on
Yes.
Logan. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I might ask you a couple questions. Hopefully not too redundant. But yeah, hopefully we can get you an offer. I know you get to give me some info, but just want to make sure we're all on the same page. So as far as that property there, let me pull it up again. So it is, they said it was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. How big is the property now? How many bedrooms and bathrooms again?
It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
2-bedroom, 2-bath. Okay, perfect. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Looks like you kind of went over everything. And then as far as the timeline, if we come to an agreement, how soon are you looking to close?
Oh, just whenever,
Okay.
It's not a massive rush, but I still have to finish emptying it out.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have a lot of stuff there still, or how long do you think it'll take to get it cleaned out?
Probably, about maybe a month or less.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Yeah, as long as you just keep us updated, yeah, we're pretty flexible. As long as we just make sure communication and stay on the same page. Perfect. So yes, I'm just reviewed the notes. So it looks like I think he asked pretty much all the questions that we needed when he spoke with you. And he did run the comps, and it looks like we got the offer put together for you as well. So I'm not sure if you mentioned, but how our offers work. So they're all cash offers. We're going to cover all the closing costs. There's no hidden fees, no real estate commissions or anything like that. So you walk away with exactly what we agree on, unless there's like any liens or anything that would have to be cleared to get a clean title. Is there any liens or anything that you're aware of?
No liens. I still owe taxes.
Okay.
That's it. So.
No worries. Yeah, we can get that taken care of too. So right at the closing table. So perfect. Yeah. So it looks like, so we ran the comps, and it looks like we'd be able to do $30,000 for cash. Do you think that would work for you?
That's less than what I wanted for it. But I'd have to talk it over and see what we all think about that.
Yeah, no worries. Are you the only owner? Is there anyone else on there?
I'm the only owner, but I've got 2 grandsons that we're gonna, I was gonna share with.
Yeah. Oh, I understand. Yeah, I think that's just kind of what they came back with after running the comps. Obviously, we're covering the closing costs and everything. It's not like if you sell with a realtor where they take fees and splits. There's no hidden fees or anything. And then it's completely as is too. So you don't have to worry about fixing anything or anything like that. When you talk to your and I'm sorry again, I know I'm kind of just a little behind here. So, what price were you hoping to get?
I was looking at like 40 to 43, right in there.
Mm-hmm.
Because what I was told, realtors said that they could put it up for about 63. So I was figuring, by the time you paid their fees and closing and this and that, I said that would be, about where I would expect it to land, somewhere right in there. So. For
sure. Yeah, I know realtors sometimes it can be a little conservative to put on, but yeah, I think it'd be fairly close, like to the same number that we're at. Is there a number, that if we came to, like, are you flexible at all on that 43, or that's exactly what you need, or
Yeah, I'm kind of flexible on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's just, I live in a different state, so
right.
It's not awfully far, but it's still a state over, and like a 2-hour drive to get there, and to keep keep watch on it. It's a pain.
Yeah. No, I definitely understand that. Yeah, so that's one of the biggest things. Yeah, we make it easy as possible. So we have mobile notaries and the title company and everything. So we try to make the whole process as easy as possible. You don't have to worry about getting it ready for open houses or anything like that. That's kind of one of the tougher parts about listing it. Is you have to get it cleaned up, and you have to put it on the market before you do anything. So just really kind of what one of the main benefits of going with us is that it's fast, it's easy, it's straightforward, and we make sure we always get the deals to the finish line.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm flexible on it, but it's just trying to get everything done at once. We got all kinds of stuff going on here. Like I don't know what's.
Oh no. Sorry to hear that. Yeah. Hopefully, I can just take this off your plate. One less thing you have to worry about. So if we were to move forward today and just get this wrapped up so you can move on, what would be the best price you could do for that all, as is, all in cash offer?
It'd probably be right. I think 35 would be the best.
Okay. So let me do, so if I can, just to make sure we're on the same page, if I can get this approved for you at 35, are you ready to move forward and get this signed today?
Sure.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, if you bear with me just one moment, I'm just going to check with the team real quick and just make sure I can get that approved. I'm pretty sure I can. Is it okay if I just put you on a brief hold?
Sure.
Okay, just one sec. Boom. All right.
Get down. No. What are you doing in here? No.
Hey, Sarah, you still there?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, so good news. I was able to get that approved for you. So we're going to be good to move forward. So I'm going to send this over to your email. It looks like the email we have is Drake Charmer at Gmail. Is that right?
Yeah, Drake Charmer. Yeah.
Okay, at gmail.com. Okay, perfect. So yeah, if you bear with me just one moment, I'm just going to type this in and I'll send it right over to you and walk you right through it. All right, and today's date is the 5th of 7. All right, and all right, and then Sarah, is this the best phone number for you too to send to the title company if they have any questions for you?
It would be this one.
Okay.
Just tell me to leave a message or text first, so I know, who it is trying to get a hold of me.
Oh, of course. Yeah, I'll definitely do that. Yeah, I know I get a bunch of calls I don't recognize.
Oh, I get so many scam and telemarketing and oh, good Lord.
Yeah, it's wild.
Yeah, it's crazy. I average like 48 a day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was nuts. I was like, how are all these people getting my number?
Yeah. No, it's really
But
crazy.
I've had this number forever too, so.
Oh, okay. All right, so just make sure I typed everything in right. Looks like I did. So name, date, address, agreed 35. All right, perfect. All right, awesome. So I'm sending that over to you right now. It might take a minute or two, but let me know when you get it.
Okay. Kyle Logue.
Yep, that's me.
Yep, it just came through.
Oh, perfect. So there should be a big blue button. I think it says review and sign. And if you click that, it should pull right up for you.
Okay. Oh, there we go. There are certain times of day that the thing is just slow as it can be.
Oh, yeah. It's always when you need it.
Yeah. It's loading. It says loading.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, I got a purchase contract and escrow instructions.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, and then just make sure, so up top, just make sure I put everything in correct. So we get the property address, purchase price 35, close the escrow. So we're gonna do honor before August 5th. If you need any extra time, just like I said, just let us know. That's perfectly fine. Then we're gonna cover all the closing costs, all that good stuff. And then all the stupid like lead paint disclosure, make sure we get access to the property. But yeah, and if everything looks good, right on the bottom, you'll see my name and signature. And then on the left-hand side, there should be a spot where you can click and sign.
Okay. Okay. I'm about halfway through it.
No, take your time. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions at all.
All right, it looks pretty good.
Perfect. Yeah, we try to keep it pretty straightforward. So awesome. And then right on the left, yeah, it should let you sign. And then I think after you do that, you can either type it in or you can try to draw with your mouse. Sometimes it comes out a bit messy if you do it that way, but don't worry about it. Yeah. And then yeah, there should be a button, and then just make sure you hit continue after. Sometimes people miss that one.
Oh, I did. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Yeah, it just gave me the mousy thing.
Yeah,
So,
it should
we're
like
trying.
perfect. Yeah, it becomes a little messy. Don't worry. And
A little messy. Yeah, okay. uh, okay. Try refreshing. Why would it wants me to refresh the page? It couldn't authenticate.
huh?
Oh, let me type it.
Yeah.
Okay, I see that now. It's like, okay, now you see it.
Yeah, it's almost hidden if you don't know it's there. It's super easy to miss.
And it did that again. We couldn't authenticate your request. Try refreshing the page.
Huh? I haven't seen that one before, so couldn't really Google it. So couldn't.
All right. Oops. Oh, it did it that time.
It went.
I refreshed it. It did it. So.
Oh, okay, perfect. What does the screen say now?
Nothing. Is just showing me my signature.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Yeah, so if the signature's there, it should be, I think, on the top right-hand corner. It says like continue, or there should be a blue button.
Next.
Yeah, next. That's what it is.
Okay. Click to initial.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we're going. Okay. Type. All right. Should just put everywhere. Okay, getting all these lovely initials in here. Okay, got all the initials in, almost done. I recently was found by this document in Dropbox sign trenches, earthquake on a paper. Okay, all right, clicking the I agree thingy now.
Perfect.
All right, thank you for submitting. That's what I got now.
Oh, awesome. It should be good. Let me just check, make sure I got it. Awesome. Yep, I did get it. Says we have that. So perfect. So there, you should get a copy to your email too, just so you have it for your records. And then if you don't for some reason, or you don't see the email, just let us know and we'll send it over to you to make sure you get it. But awesome. So yeah, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get that right over to title. They're going to start the title process. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, we're going to get the ball rolling on our end. And if you have any questions at all, this is my direct number if you want to save it. And then I think you have JP's number too. But yeah, either way, you'll always be able to get a hold of one of us if you have any questions at all.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. All right, Sarah. We look forward to doing business with you. Do you have any other questions for me right now?
Not right now.
Okay, perfect. Well, if you think of anything, I know usually it's after you get off the phone when you think of them, but yeah, if you think of anything, just give us a holler, and we'll make sure we keep you updated every step of the way, so you know what's going on.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, Sarah.
All right.
I hope you have a great day. It was very nice talking to you.
You too.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's fucking go. Got it.